Welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Cred effect button using Figma. It's quite easy. It's little tricky also, but just follow these steps, okay, and you'll get it, I'm sure. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to create this kind of button shape. So I'll just delete it and make it from scratch. So make a button like a rectangle like this, and go to pen tool, double click on it, and start forming a shape like this one. Here we can see it's something like this. That's it. So top part is done. Now we have to create a bottom part. I'll create bottom part using pen tool like this. That's it. Now remove these strokes from a bottom part and make it fill, and let's give it color. I'll just pick it from the Cred UI, these same colors like this. Now select the first layer. In the first layer, I'll first duplicate both of them, okay, like this. In now below one, right click on it, make it as a frame, and right click on the bottom one, make it as a frame, and basically group. Basically you can make it a single frame. Now select a single frame. Now we have a single frame. The reason why we copied this was because we want to create this shiny effect. So as you can see, this shiny effect is something like this. If I put it here, it will not work well. So what I did, I'll make the shiny effect elements like this, and I will group them, and I'll take this top area, okay, top part, and I will put behind it, and I will mask it. Simply I'll mask it, and now just give it a color like this. Play with the colors like this, and here you can see, if now I put this inside this frame, the first frame, it will adjust properly, and if I'll rotate it from left to right, it will go very smoothly, okay. And now I'll just tilt it like this. I'll tilt it a little bit, adjust it, and keep it out of the frame like this. That's all. And the same thing you have to do for the below one. Now here I'll create the second part like this. I will not make it more proper because it's just a tutorial. Mask it and put it. The mask didn't work well. Let me see why it didn't. Okay, just cut and paste and adjust it. Select these two and put it like this. That's it. That's it, guys. And now we have to add a text also. Claim now over the first layer, something like this. I'll right click on it, and I'll select the skew tool, and we can basically skew it if we want. But yeah, it doesn't looking good, but it's all right. In just tutorial. Now it's fine. Make sure the text is on the top layer, okay. Now I'll select this whole button, and I'll make it a component, and then I'll add the variant. Now in the variant, select the first top section, and there you can see the mask. In the layers, see the masked area which we have grouped. So it was this one, and keep it, push it to the right side like this. And same with the bottom frame. Select the bottom frame, select the masked area, and push it to the other side. Now this will not continuously will not work because we haven't paid that much attention here. But yeah, it's just to learn. Now click on the prototype link it with the bottom button. Select the after delay, and here we can give 300 milliseconds maybe, and then here smart animate, and then here maybe around 800 milliseconds, so we can see it properly. Make sure it's a smart animate. Select the second button and drag it with the first one, and here I will select after delay, and 1 millisecond I'll select on the top, and instead of a smart animate I will pick instant. That's it. And now go to the assets and drag the component which we have created right now, keep it center line, and let's play it. Now it should work automatically. Here we go. we achieved it. Now you have to play with the sequencing of this shine, but this is how you create it. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.